Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding which link you need: a meeting invite, a channel conversation link, or a direct file link. Open the Teams desktop app since it exposes all controls. Sign in with the account that owns the content. Once done, navigate to Calendar for meetings or to the specific team and channel for posts and files. This first step saves back and forth later because you're working from the correct location and permissions. Make sure you have editing rights before you proceed. Now you create and copy the actual link. For a meeting, schedule it and open the meeting details to copy the meeting link. For an instant meeting, use Meet Now and grab the link. For channel posts, click More Options on the message and choose Copy Link to Conversation. For files, select the file, choose Open in SharePoint or OneDrive, then use Share Copy Link. Make sure the link's permissions match your audience. Adjust anyone with the link versus specific people before you send it. Finally, paste and share the link with context so recipients know why to click it. Once shared, verify access quickly. Open the link in an incognito browser or have a colleague confirm they can reach it. This avoids embarrassing access errors. If someone is blocked, go back to the file or meeting permissions in SharePoint or the Teams meeting options and expand access to the right group or anyone with the link. One key troubleshooting tip: if a recipient can't join, turning anyone with the link on often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.